Okay, so in last lab we are performing experiment number 2 actually. Okay, experiment number 1 is pending. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 बाकी है ना, क्योंकि लास्ट लैब में क्या था, वो पी बेच वाले भी okay. So sorry, I am disconnected due to the network issue. Now suppose what we have to do. Now you have to write down in a Google. So open your suppose start your PC and open the Google. In Google, you just write down the Dell sim. Dell sim. Okay. It is also visible in your screen. Yes, DELDSIM. Only for you. Directly go to the panel. Yes. So now, have you have account for that? So once you are click on the Dell SIM, we have the student online also. So what you have to do, just write down the Google in Dell SIM. Then there is a trainer kit. If you click on that trainer kit, this type of screen will be open. So here I have already logged in. Let me log out. So this type of screen is visible. Okay. Now you have to go for the login register. So I have already logged in, but what you have to do, you have to go for the register. Then you have to write down your enrollment number, because most of the experiments we are performing in this kit only. This is our virtual kit directly available. Okay, so कोई भी, if you it is not compulsory to write down the institutional email ID. You can add any email ID. Okay, it's your choice. It's not compulsory. Then you have to select the password. Again, password you have to select. Okay, it's your choice. It's not compulsory. You can use any password. And suppose if you are using institutional ID, then use same password. So it will be easy for you. Okay, those who are attending the session online also, they have to do the same process. Just write down in Google you have to write down in Google DELDSIM, DELSIM. Then this screen is visible. Then you have to go for the click on the trainer kit. Those who are attending the session online. Then you have to click on login and register. So this screen will be visible. And then you have to click on register. You have to select email ID. You have to select your password. Then your name and last name. If you click on institutional, search Marwari Education, it will be there only. Okay. For institution, you select our institution, Marwari Education Foundation, group of institutions. Okay, and then you have to select the branch. So the branch, your branch is IT. So once you click on branch or department, it is IT, computer, ENTC, and other. We have to select the IT only, and then click on register. So you are getting the mail in your mail ID which you are mentioned. किसी को भी कुछ डाउट है तो आप पूछ लीजिए, ठीक है? मेरा नाम लॉगिन नाउ क्लिक ऑन लॉगिन पहले हो गया ना लॉगिन ओके तो गो टू द लॉगिन अब stand on the login menu. Okay, so this is actually our virtual trainer. If suppose if you want to perform the experiment by taking the IC, now in digital fundamental, what we have to do most of the cases we have to perform the experiment by using the gate. Okay, so suppose I am telling you about AND gate. So AND gate is not a single gate. Suppose you are going to the market and purchasing diodes, they will ask you how many diodes you require. If you want single, it will give the single. So we cannot purchase directly a single gate or two gates. So that gates are a combination of integrated circuit. Okay, it is nothing but ICs. So now let me show you here what is that. Suppose if you want to, these are the 5 bases. Okay, so these are the 5 bases for our IC. So you can put any IC here. So if you want to add IC, you can see here now. For after that you can work. Okay. Suppose if you want to add IC, then click on add IC. Now it will be asked on which base you have to add your IC. So at a time you can maximum add 5 IC in this base. Okay, so you can suppose I am selecting on the base 1, I have to put my IC. So select on base 1. Now they will ask me, okay, sorry, I am not registering. Let me log in first. Now see why I ask you to log in. Suppose now again, without login, if I am going to the add IC, click on base. So 3, they are giving only 3 IC. Okay, so they are giving only 3 IC. One is hex inverting gate. Now what is hex inverting gate? Can anyone tell me? Anyone having any idea about this? See, inverting gate. So which gate is inverting gate? Yeah, so this is the IC of NOR gate. Hex, what it indicates how many number of gate inside that IC. So hex means 6. So in that IC we have 6 NOR gate. Then quad 2 input AND gates. What that means? Quad means 4. 2 input AND gate means I have 2 input AND gate. And then 2 input OR gate. So we have only getting 3 ICs without logging or without register. But suppose if you register, you can see in your screen, we can add all these ICs, which is register. By registering, we can get all this. So that's why the login is compulsory. Now let me log in. Now again add IC. You can select any base. Now you can see you have numbers of possibility. And some of the ICs, they are not allowing us. We have to purchase this one. Okay. This is the virtual tool. So if you purchase this a premium, then you can have each and every ICs, but we do not require that. Okay. We require AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR, exclusive NOR. That's are there here. Okay, so we do not require that. Suppose I am selecting quad 2 input NAND gate and click on add IC. You can see now my IC is here. શું 1 minute. You have to select on which particular base you have to add IC. Okay. So that's why I'm asking first. You can see here, then you can do experiments by yourself. Sonic wall open करो. Not Sonic wall means open the either Mozilla or Chrome and then write down Sonic wall. SONIC WALL. Okay, so once you can add IC, you can see here we have how many numbers of possibilities. Let me zoom this. Here I have 20 different pins. You can see here. But all the gates IC can be only 14 pins. So you can see here these pin number 8, 9, 10 and pin number 11, 12, 13 are not in use. Okay, pin number 8, 9, 10, pin number 11, 12, 13 are not in use. You can also see in your screen. Okay, because it requires only 14 pin and our base is over 20 pin. So 6 pins are remain as it is. It is not in use. Okay. Now suppose I want to see the data sheet. Okay. Now here you can see we have pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and pin number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 is in use. So which pin is for input, which pin is for output, which pin is for the supply and which pin is for ground. We cannot aware about that. So for that we have to see the data sheet of that particular IC and from the data sheet we can aware about each and everything. So you can see here we have another possibility. See, add IC is already there, then remove IC. Suppose if you want to remove IC, click on the remove IC. Now they will ask which IC you have to remove. So I am adding only this one. So if you click on that, that IC will be removed. Then suppose what are the different things? Let me tell you about that. Now suppose you are doing some connection. Okay, you are connecting your input. You are connecting the outputs. Okay, you have some connection, but by mistake you are doing the wrong connection. So you have to remove some particular connection. So the third pin is about the remove connection. So click on that. Now you have to select the wire, which wire you have to remove. So now if you click on that wire, it will be removed. But suppose all the connections are not proper. You have to again reset whole circuit. Then you have, suppose your circuit is completed, then save circuit. Suppose your all connections are wrong. You have to start with first point. Then you have to click on reset circuit. They will ask, are you sure? And said, then reset circuit. All the connection and all the ICs which you are adding, it will be gone again. It will be reset from the first point. Then if you find any issue or if you have to send the feedback, so that two are not that much important for us. Now suppose again I am adding the IC. Let's say I add the IC on the base one, which is my NAND gate. So now I am not aware about that which pin is for input, which pin is for output, which pin is for supply, which pin is for ground. So what I have to do? Simply now I have to click on the show data sheet. So they will ask you which data sheet you want to open. So let me open the NAND gate. So I am selecting NAND gate and I am clicking on show data sheet. So it will show you the data sheet and it is very much important because you are aware about that which pin is for input, which pin is for output. So this is the IC actually based made by the National Semiconductor. It is one company. National Semiconductors, we are manufacture the VLSI chips and the ICs. Okay, so this is the National Semiconductor is manufacture that IC. Now you can see here, this is the pin diagram in your screen. So from that you can easily aware about that. Your pin number 1 and pin number 2, A1, B1, it is working as a input of your NAND gate. Pin number 3 is working as a output. So in single IC, how many gates we have? 4. It's visible. See, 4 gates we have. 4 NAND gates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and each gate we require 3 pin. So 4 into 3, 12 pin. 12 pin is already in use. All these ICs of the 14 pin. So 2 pin is remaining. Out of 2 pin, 1 pin is for supply VCC and another pin is for ground. So you can see pin number 14, it's VCC. What that means, you have to connect 5 volt supply to that pin number 14. And your pin number 7 is your ground. So from data sheet you can easily aware about that which pin is for input and which pin is for output. For NAND gate, pin number 1 to input, pin number 3 output for one gate. Suppose if you want to use another NAND gate, so pin number 4, 5 input, 6 input, 6 output. But for upper side it will be reverse. You can see here. One, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output. Here it is not like that. 8, 9 input, 10 output. 11 fed input, 13 output. It is not like that, it is reverse. So now here, my 9 and 10 is input, 8 is output. In some of the circuit, you have to use all the 4 NAND gates. Okay, you have to use all the 4 NAND gates. So you must aware about that. For upper side also, which pin is for input and which pin is for output. So here 9 10 input and 8 output, 12 13 input, 14 output. Yes, 11. Sorry. Now, what are the another things which we have in a data sheet? It will give you the truth table also and the logic symbol. You are aware about that the NAND gate logic symbol is AB whole bar. AB bar. NAND gate तो याद है ना? Logic gates याद है? वो हमने लास्ट सेमेस्टर में ही बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में पढ़ा. AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, exclusive OR, exclusive NOT. तो ये NAND गेट है, उसका सिंबल है AB बार. और ट्रूथ टेबल क्या होगा? L मतलब लो, लो मतलब 0, H मतलब high, high means 1. So the truth table is 0 0 1, 0 1 also 1, 1 0 also 1, but for 1 1 it is 0. So that is the truth table. Now what are the things they are giving? If you are remember, I am giving you the characteristic of the IC. You learned the characteristic of IC in basic electronics. Do you remember that thing? Characteristic of IC, do you remember? Anyone? BOH, VIH, propagation delay, એવું બધું ભણ્યા હતા. Okay, very high output, very low input. Okay, in between we have one intermediate region. It's already learned in the basic electronics. If you do not remember, it's okay. But we have all these things. Okay, now you can see that IC maximum requires 7 volts. Okay, so you must give the voltage and then it will be on. Then you can see its operating range. So it will be operate for minus 55 degree to plus 125 degree. So its range is very wide. You can say negative minus 55. It will never happen in India. Minus 55. And maximum 125. Again, it will be not possible. But when it is possible, when you are connecting your IC in some another machine, and that machine is required cooling, or that machine having a very heating region, at that time its operating region is between minus 55 to 125. Suppose if you want to store that IC, then its range will be increased. It will be minus 65 to 150 for storage. So that's the temperature range. So another range you can see here in supply voltage. So we require 4.5. Normally we require 5, but minimum you have to give 4.5. Maximum you can give up to 5.5. Okay, and its unit is in voltage. Then VIH, high level input voltage. VIL, low level input voltage. VIH का मतलब क्या है? हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट टाइम बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में कि अगर 5 volt मतलब 1, it's not compulsory. Your voltage between 2 to 5 is anything it will be indicating as a 1. तो उसको हम बोलते हैं high level input voltage. तो अगर आप 2 वोल्ट दोगे तो भी वो 1 कंसीडर करेगा, 3.5 दोगे तो भी 1 कंसीडर करेगा. But between 2 volts, suppose if you are giving only 1.9 volt, so it considered as a 0. Then low level input voltage 0.7. So if your voltage between 0 to 0.7 anything, it considered as a 0 only. Okay, so 0.7 to 2, it is our indeterminate region. वहाँ हम डिटरमिन नहीं कर सकते either my value is 1 or my value is 0. So it is indeterminate region. ठीक है? So that's the different terminology. Then ये भी हमने पढ़ा था, जैसे इनपुट वोल्टेज लो और हाई होता है वैसे आउटपुट वोल्टेज भी लो और हाई होगा. So VOH means high level output voltage, VOL means low level input voltage. वैसे ही करंट आएगा. Now propagation delay. What do you mean by propagation delay? Can anyone tell me? Propagation delay क्या होता है? Yes. Suppose you are giving the input, but your NAND gate or your IC will take some time to respond that input. Okay, to respond that input, that time is very much less. You can say it is in terms of microsecond or nanosecond. So in physical we cannot see that. You can see this is known as a propagation delay. So it is known as the TPLH. TPLH means propagation delay time from low to high level output. What that means? Suppose your input is 0, so it is low. Now you are changing from low to high. So it will take some time. Its time is, you can say, minimum it requires 3, maximum it requires 10. But what is the unit? So within a 3 nanosecond, it will change its output. Okay. Physically, we cannot see that. But when you are measuring by using graph, you can have that 3 nanosecond time. Or maximum in a 10 nanosecond, it will change its output. So we have two propagation delay, low to high, and sometimes your input is always high. Now you have to convert it to 0. So another possibility is high to low. So second one is low. Its propagation delay time from high to low. Again, it is 3 and 10. Nanosecond is unit. हाँ मेजरमेंट आप DSO से देख सकते हो. DSO. Okay, you can see you have the DSO. So in digital storage oscilloscope, once you are giving the pulse, it will take the time. So then you have to zoom that waveform. So from that you can easily identify it. Okay. Now another thing, suppose I am giving you the IC. Okay, IC always having a pin diagram like 1 to 7, U-shape pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 ऐसा नहीं होता है, U-shape होता है 1 to 7, 8 to 40. Okay, so अगर मैंने आपको IC दे दी ऐसी, okay, it is rectangle in size. How you can know about that? This is my pin 1 or from this side my pin 1 will start? कहाँ से pin 1 start होगी वो कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा IC में? So for that, you always have this half circle, upper one. Okay, in each and every single IC, let me show you the actual physical IC. You can see this IC. Okay, it is our 74000 means our NAND gate only. So from that you can easily see which one is pin number 1 or from which we can start our pin 1. So it's having the one set half circle. Okay, so from that we can easily say now either this is my pin 1 or this is my pin 1. Again we have two possibilities. One is pin 1, one is pin 14. So which one is pin 1? So actually, generally left hand side is pin 1, but in some of the ICs also they are giving a small circle. You can see here. This small circle, what it indicates? This small circle indicates this is my pin 1. Okay. So in each and every IC there is some half circle and circle which indicate your pin. You can see here. That's why they are giving the U shape. This is half circle. From that it says either this is my pin 1 or either this is my pin. And they are giving some small circle. You can see here. In data sheet also they are giving. This small circle indicates means this is your pin number 1. You can see here in data sheet also they are giving your physical IC diagram. Now you can see this is actually your top view of your IC. This is the side view. Okay. It having a size, all the sizes, but we do not have to focus more on size. Okay, it is not for us. So that is the data sheet of NAND gate. Now what is the difference between NAND and NOR? Now check the data sheet of NOR gate. Okay, now check the data sheet of NOR gate, check the data sheet of NAND gate. Give me the difference. What is the difference? ના એડ કરો તો ચાલે ડાયરેક્ટલી ક્લિક ઓન શો ડેટા શીટ. ઓકે yes so, so you can see simply the IC. Okay, in NAND gate my pin number 1 to input. Okay, remember one thing, for each and every IC pin number 14 is always VCC and pin number 7 is always down. Any IC you have. Okay, but what is the difference between NAND and NOR gate? In NAND gate, pin number 1, pin number 2 input, pin number 3 output, but here when pin number 1 is output. This is your pin number 1. Let me zoom it out. So that's the main difference. Gate are reversed. Now you can see here, my pin number 1 is my output pin. So it is different. In NAND gate, pin number 1 and 2 is input, 3 output, but here in NOR gate, pin number 2, 3 input, 1 output. So why data sheet is important? Because from that you can easily aware about that which pin is for input and which pin is for output. Okay. Now till now anyone having any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so now today what you have to perform? You have to perform each and every gate. So each and every logic gates of truth table. If you are not aware about the truth table of logic gate, just Google it out. What is the truth table of AND? What is the truth table of exclusive OR? From that you can easily aware about that. So now let me show you the simply one working. So I request all of you please see here. અહીંયા એકવાર જોઈ લ્યો જો આ NAND નું truth table કેવી રીતે છે સમજાવી દો. How you have to do the connection? So this is pin number actually 14. Here it is written 20. So pin number 14 is my VCC. Click on VCC. My pin number 7 is my ground. Clear connecting down. So sorry, again one thing are pending. See, we have different 16 input possibility. Okay, so at a time you can connect 16 input, and we have different 16 output possibility also. Okay, 16 input hai, 16 output hai. Now suppose I am aware about that for NAND gate, gate number 1 is input, gate number 2 is also input. So this is my input, I am connecting with a pin number 1. Another input I am connecting with pin number 2, and pin number 3 I am connect with the output. Then here we have to start the power. So there is one power button. You click on that. Now you can see this is the working of NAND gate. 001, 01 also 1. See, this red means 1 and black means 0. You do not have to click here. You have to click here in button. So 01 also 1, 10 also 1, but for 11 NAND gate output is 0. So it's 0. Okay, so same way you have to perform each and every gate, AND or NOT, NAND NOT, exclusive or exclusive NOT. Now start performing the experiment. And if you face any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay. 40 एक्चुअली 20, यहाँ पे पिन नंबर 20, वो हमारी पिन नंबर 14 और ग्राउंड है वो पिन नंबर 7 के साथ कनेक्टेड। साइलेंस कर दो। हाँ बोलो बोलो। देखने को कितनी दो 14 है और 7 है। most of आपकी जो भी एक की जो है तीन नंबर 1 में कोई आ दो देंगे। आप एक तीन नंबर 1 से भी आपको एक और पैसे में जो देता है वो उनके इनपुट है अपने पास 16 आप वहीं पे भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है तो आइए चेक हो गया और सीक्वेंस 0 0 1 से 1 0 1 से 1 0 1 से 1 this is what we want ये बच्चा के okay those who are attending the session online, if they face any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, I cannot see the chat, so you have to unmute yourself and give. Okay, Ravi ji, see, as I am sharing the screen, I cannot see the chat. Okay, तो अगर आपको कुछ भी पूछना है तो आप सिंपली अनम्यूट करके बोल दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है, अभी दिखा देता हूँ नोर गेट कैसे ऐड करते हैं। तो ये सॉफ्टवेयर हुआ। अगेन जाओ ऐड आईसी में। ठीक है, अगर ऐड आईसी करनी है तो पहले पावर क्लोज होना चाहिए, तो ये पावर ऑफ। नाउ क्लिक ऑन ऐड आईसी। कोई भी बेस ले लो, सपोज ये बेस 1 में मेरा नैंड है, अभी बेस 2 में मुझे नोड चाहिए, तो वहां पे क्लिक करो तो ये ओपन हो गया सारा। तो उसमें से नोड को सिलेक्ट करो और यहाँ पे क्लिक करो ऐड आईसी, तो वो आपकी आईसी देखो यहाँ पे नोड ऐड हो गई। समझ में आया? क्लियर रवि?
क्लियर सर।
ओके ठीक है। कुछ भी डाउट है अनम्यूट करो, क्योंकि ये चैट मुझे विजिबल नहीं है।
ओके सर।
એક સાથે તમારે 4 કરવી હોય 5 મેક્સિમમ એક સાથે કનેક્ટ કરી શકો because we have 5 different days so at a time you can add 5 different AC ચાલે ને એક પછી એ રિમૂવ કરીને બીજી એડ કરના બોલના ચારે ગેટ કરવા જરૂર નથી એટલે એક ગેટ તમને કોઈ લઈ નથી તો ચાલુ જોઈએ આપણી એક ફિઝિકલ લાઈફ છે તો ચાલે ચેક કરવા પડે ત્યારે શું થાય આમાં તો જોઈ આમાં સપોઝ ટુ જો ભૂલથી ઊંધું કનેક્ટર જે કરવાથી એટલે કે ઇનપુટ આલા કનેક્ટ થઈ ઓમાં શું થાય આઉટપુટ ની જગ્યાએ તમે ઇનપુટ દઈ દો ને તો આઈસી નો જે એ પર્ટિક્યુલર ગેટ છે ને એ બંધ થઈ જાય એટલે એ ચાલુ થશે આમાં મેં તેમના પોઈન્ટ છે મેઇન એમ ઇઝ to perform the exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate which is not directly there zero zero होगा कभी हो तो ऐसे तो कोई नहीं है बिना ऐसे कर दिए ये ऐसे करो ऊपर जाके ये पावर करो ये पावर करो ऊपर जाओ ये यहाँ विदाउट राइस एड किया फॉलो करोगे फिर से आउट हो जाएगा हां तो 20 वाली एक छोड़ के मेरे पास तो 3 बराबर થઈ જાય પણ આપી x ની કી છે તો 1 છે 20 નો તો નીચે ના 100 કી તો આપણે વાપરતા નથી જો કનેક્ટ જ નથી એટલે નહીં કરવાની એમ એટલે શું હોય તો ઇનપુટ તો દે ત્યાં એ આઉટપુટ માં જોડો આ બીજા આઉટપુટ માં દે આ નોટ છે ને આ ઈ1 આઉટપુટ છે અહીંયા દે क्यों ना है ने अपनी नंबर 2 ने इनपुट में दे तो आउटपुट देવાનું ને ઇનપુટ દે આપણે દેવાનું બીજા દે આ ખબર તો કઈ એટલે તો પાઠ પાઠ થઈ ગયા છે એટલે તો એકમ તો હું કામ અગ્નિ ને દે એમાં દેવાય આપણે આ કઈ હવે 1 નંબર 3 છે દુનિયાથી લીધે एक साथ 5 તમે કરી શકો સેવ कर सकते हो ना थैंक यू एक मिनट देश आई वांट टू આને કામનો કરવાનો મતલબ વિકાસ દેવાનું શું જરૂર હોય એક સાથે 5 આઈસી ને તમે યુઝ કરી શકો પણ એક એક ઇનપુટ બનાવી દેવો એટલે તો 16 ઇનપુટ ને 16 આઉટપુટ આપ્યા 0 0 તો લોન આવે આમ તો કે હો ગયા ને पहले तो क्या हुआ था आईसी डिजाइनर जनरेशन करते थे ये देखो ये कौन सा है ये मेन है नेम गेट का ट्रूथ टेबल अगर नाम मालूम नहीं है तो गूगल में सर्च करो हमें वो प्लेन नहीं। अब इसमें भी डेटा सेट टेबल में मिलेगा ही। तो ये जो दे रहे हैं उसका मतलब 1, लेट का मतलब 0। तो नेम गेट का ट्रूथ टेबल क्या है? 001 01B1 10B1, मतलब दोनों 1 होंगे तो आउटपुट 0। इसको क्यों करते हैं 0? जैसे अभी आएंगे जैसे ग्रेड हुआ अभी होल करो एंड करो होल करो, वही तरह में याद था। नोट गेट में याद रखना एक इन्वर्टिंग गेट। नोट गेट है तो उसमें क्या होगा, मतलब कितने इनपुट होते हैं नोट गेट में? तो उसमें पिन नंबर 1 इनपुट 2 आउटपुट 3 इनपुट 4 आउटपुट। ओके, otherwise you can see its data sheet, so you can get more information about node gate. Okay, node gate का IC ऐसा है जिसमें एक ही IC में हमारे पास 6 गेट है। Why 6? Because we require only one pin for input, one pin for output। तो हमारे पास 14 पिन वाली IC है, तो 14 पिन में से 2 पिन तो चली गई, इसमें एक ग्राउंड में एक VCC में बची कितनी? 12। तो 12 डिवाइड बाय 6, सॉरी 12 डिवाइड बाय 2, एक गेट के लिए 2 पिन, तो 12 डिवाइड बाय 2 तो कितने गेट हुए? 6। ठीक है, तो इसलिए नोट गेट में हमारे पास 6 गेट है इनसाइड। थैंक यू। Main is exclusive OR and exclusive NOR, it is directly not available. Now what is the equation of exclusive OR gate? You can Google it out. What is the equation of exclusive OR gate? The equation of exclusive OR gate is AB bar plus A bar B. AB bar plus A bar B. So for plus sign, which gate you require? For plus, which gate you require for plus? अगर दो नंबर आपको ऐड करने हैं तो कौन सा गेट आएगा? वो तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए A into B, A plus B के लिए आएगा OR गेट। So you require one OR gate, two AND gate, and two NOT gate. So by using 3 IC, one of AND, one of OR, and one of NOT, you can make exclusive OR. Now make it by yourself. Google में search कर लो. Simply let me show you the circuit. चलो ये सर्किट है, आपको बनानी है। ये है एक्सक्लूसिव OR गेट, ए बार प्लस ए बार बी, दो नोट गेट चाहिए, दो एंड गेट चाहिए और एक OR गेट चाहिए। ऐसे कनेक्ट करोगे तो आउटपुट आएगा। दिखाओ दोनों ये नोट दोनों को यूज किया जाए। नोट गेट वाइज प्लस ए यूज किया, नोट गेट वाइज प्लस नोट क्या બે એન્ડ છે અને બે નોટ છે નોટ। હવે બે નોટ કેટ છે તો એક આઈસી કેટલા ગેટ આવે? 6, એમાંથી બે ડ્રો કરવાના। પછી એન્ડ ગેટ છે 2, एक बकेट का है 4, एक बकेट में ये 4, तो उसमें से 2 ही को यूज करने, बाकी तो पेज सीरीज रहेगी। आईसी तो 3 ही चाहिए आपको, एक एन की ले लो, एक और की ले लो और एक नोट की। अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं आपको समझा दूंगा कैसे होता है, ठीक है। दो मिनट का क्या मुझे बात ऐसे क्यों काम करता हूँ आइए Okay, so we require three actually IC. One is AND. So select AND gate. એટલે એવું compulsory નથી. Another one is we require NOT gate. So I'm selecting NOT. And third I required OR gate. NOT. NOT. Eh? Hex inverting 7404. Okay, so I'm taking these three. This is my AND gate. This is my inverting gate. Let's say inverting. Okay, and this is my OR gate. So now, first of all, what I required A, B bar. Okay, અહીંયા જોઈ લો પહેલા પછી તમે જાતે બનાવજો. What I required A, B bar. So suppose let's say this is my A. So this is A. Now I required B bar. So let's say this is my B, but B I am connecting with NOT gate. So its output is B bar. So now B bar is connected with pin number 2. So now it becomes AB bar. Now I required A bar B. I required A bar B. So this is my A. I am connecting with pin number 3. So it is A, and pin number 4 is my B bar. So it is A bar. So it is connecting with pin number 4. And here it's my B. Now the output 3 number is my AB bar. Pin number 6 is my A bar B. That I have to give to the OR gate. So pin number 1. And pin number 6 is connected with the pin number 2. And pin number 3 is my finally output. Now connect all the 20 with a VCC. And all the 7 with a ground. Now it's complete. Now let's see the truth table. For truth table of exclusive NOR gate, what is that? 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. अगर सिमिलर इनपुट है तो आउटपुट 0 देगा. मतलब अगर दोनों 0 है तो भी 0, दोनों 1 है तो भी 0. तो ये देखो 0 0 पे तो 0 ही आ रहा है. 0 1 आ गया 1, 1 0 आ गया 1, अगर दोनों 1 1 है तो 0, ये बन गया मेरा एक्सक्लूसिव ओर। प्रैक्टिस चाहिए होगी। सिंपली ये सर्किट आप देखो, यहाँ पे पेन नहीं है वरना मैं लिख देता, ये मेरा इनपुट है, ये चलो पिन नंबर 1, ये नोट गेट का पिन नंबर 1, नोट गेट का पिन नंबर 2। चलो यहाँ पे लिख देता हूं, देखो ये है मेरा एन गेट का पिन नंबर 1, ठीक है। ये है मेरा एंड गेट का पिन नंबर 2, ये है मेरा एंड गेट का पिन नंबर 3, वो मेरा आउटपुट है। ये है मेरा और गेट का पिन नंबर 1, ये है मेरा और गेट का पिन नंबर 2, ये है मेरे और गेट का पिन नंबर 3 जो आपको कनेक्ट करना है आउटपुट के साथ, ठीक है। ये है मेरे एंड गेट की आईसी का नाउ पिन नंबर 4, ये है मेरी एंड गेट के पिन नंबर 5, और ये है मेरा एंड गेट का पिन नंबर 6। ये है मेरे नोट गेट का पिन नंबर 1, ये है मेरे नोट गेट का पिन नंबर 2, ये है मेरे नोट गेट का पिन नंबर 3, और ये है मेरे नोट गेट का पिन नंबर 4। अभी सिंपल देखो क्या करना है आपको, एक इनपुट ले लो कोई भी, कौन सा नंबर आपको इनपुट चाहिए बोलो, 0 से 15 तक है, कौन सा नंबर इनपुट लोगे आप? 2 इनपुट चाहिए ना, ठीक है। तो ये समझो 7 मेरा फर्स्ट इनपुट ए, और 8 है बी। तो आपको क्या करना है, 7 को लेके पहले एंड गेट के 1 में देना है, फिर 8 को लेके नोट गेट के 1 में देना है। ओके, अब देखो सारे नंबर दे दिए मैंने, ये 7 लिया, 7 को एंड गेट की जो आईसी है उसके पिन नंबर 1 से कनेक्ट कर दो, ठीक है। फिर जो 8 है उसको नोट गेट के 1 में से कनेक्ट करो, और जो पिन नंबर 2 है नोट गेट की उसको वापिस एंड गेट के 2 के साथ कनेक्ट करो, तो नोट गेट का 2 एंड गेट के 2 के साथ कनेक्ट होगा। फिर 8 है उसको एंड गेट के पिन नंबर 5 के साथ कनेक्ट करो, और वापिस जो 7 है उसको नोट गेट की 3 के साथ कनेक्ट करो। 4 मिलेगा उसको एंड गेट के 4 के साथ कनेक्ट करना है। तो अभी 2 आउटपुट है, पिन नंबर 3, पिन नंबर 6 एंड गेट के, पिन नंबर 3 और पिन नंबर 6 को और गेट के पिन नंबर 1 और 2 में दे दो, और जो 3 निकलेगा उसको दे दो आउटपुट में। हो गई आपकी सर्किट, बनाकर देखो। और सभी भी आईसी में याद रखना वीसीसी और ग्राउंड देने हैं कंपलसरी। अभी पूरा पिन डायग्राम नंबर के साथ दे दिया, अभी ट्राई करो। पहले 3 आईसी ले लो, एंड गेट की, नॉट गेट की और ओर गेट एक साथ। बेस 1 में ले लो एंड गेट, बेस 2 में ले लो नॉट गेट और बेस 3 में ले लो ओर गेट। जो ऑनलाइन है वो ये परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं या नहीं? सिर्फ एक रवि का रिस्पॉन्स है, बाकी क्या कर रहे हैं? Abhishek, Hariom, Rahul, are you performing the circuit or not? Give me the answer by unmute yourself. हाँ, થઈ ગયું.
सर डेल सिम वाला दिखाइए जरा।
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो?
डेल सिम सर।
हाँ, डेल सिम क्या हो गया उसमें?
सर एक बार स्लाइड कीजिए ना।
ओके, रुकिए 1 मिनट. ठीक है.
यस सर।
देखो नंबर दिया गया 7408, 7404, 7432. भाई इसका नंबर. फिर फर्स्ट है वो एन, दूसरा है वो इनवर्ट है, फर्स्ट एन ये वाला. ये बाकी सेट में ना दूसरा कोई सिस्टम चालू ये समझता है कोई बात नहीं अभी वो इस सर्किट देखा हो. ये तो कुछ नहीं है, जो एस्टिमेट है वो है हमारा यूनिवर्सल गेट यूजिंग एंड एंड नोड. एंड और नोड का यूज करके सारे गेट बनाने, कैसे गेट यूज करने पड़ेंगे. ये नंबर 3 वही और गेट में 743 3 टू लास्ट. नंबर 3 है आप પાવર ચાલુ છે પાવર ત્યાં નહીં જોઈ જાય કોઈ બી આવતું આવતું ઉપર પોતે ભાઈ પડી જાય કોઈ ભાઈ નાખો પડી જાય પડી જાય જોરી બધું તો બાર વર્ષ આપી ધીરો ધીરો તો ધીરો રહી એક એ ये मत देखो ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है वो नंबर वाला दे दिया ना वो सबसे इजी है सिर्फ आपको नंबर देख देख के ज्वाइन नहीं करना है 7 नंबर जो इनपुट में है उसको 7 को कनेक्ट करो एंड गेट के 1 में 8 को करो नोट गेट के 1 में ऐसे करते एक एक करते जाओ तो पूरा हो जाएगा इजीली तो एक नंबर की पिन तो खाली नहीं निकाली इक्वेशन माइंड में હોય તો જલ્દી વાર જો કે નહીં ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ જ આ યુઝ કર્યું છે પણ તમને વધારે વાર લાગે
It's so again, sir.
हो गया हाँ रीसेट कर दो सर्किट आपका हो गया क्या ये देखना है किसका हो गया क्या रवि आपका हो गया रवि सर्किट
कर रहा हूँ सर
ओके तो किसका सर्किट कंप्लीट हो गया ये है ये देखना है या वो मैं दिखाऊं वो कनेक्शन ये वाला
डेल सिम वाला सर
ठीक है ये रहा 1.5 So the work that we exclusive માં શું થાય છે? Exclusive ની અંદર નોટ મૂકી દો. We can be exclusive note. કેમ કીધું? હવે આનો કાઢી દેવાનું. Note. બધાને જાઓ. આ સિસ્ટમ બંધ કરી. શું? Ex note. Connect your exclusive or output with the note get so it become exclusive note. જેવી રીતે n ની પાછળ નોટ લગાડો તો નેટ થઈ જાય, ઓન ની પાછળ નોટ લગાડો તો નોટ થઈ જાય. એવી રીતે એક્સક્લુઝિવ ઓન ની પાછળ નોટ લગાડો તો એક્સક્લુઝિવ નોટ થઈ જાય. સેવ કરશો ને એટલે એક લિંક આવશે. ઈ લિંક ઓકે લિંક ઉપર ક્લિક કરવું પડશે તો જ તારી સર્કિટ એ સેવ થાય. અને પછી ઓલું સેવ સર્કિટ નામનું બટન છે ને એને બદલાશે. Okay. So those who are attending the session online, I request them please write down your enrollment number in a chat. आपका number 36 6 2 3 3 कौन चलो 31 45 54 अगर आपको करना है तो कर सकते हैं, अगर जाना है तो जा सकते हैं, श्योर से। ठीक है, सिंपल है, ट्राई कर सकते हो, ये फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर है, कहीं पे भी होगा, मोबाइल में भी ओपन होके कर सकते हो आप। ठीक है।